Hello guys, I'm Asad Kaur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, this is our first lecture of AutoCAD. In this, we see the history of AutoCAD and see who make this software and how many versions AutoCAD have and how many extensions we use with this software. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to see the latest videos. So, we start the video. AutoCAD was derived from a program that begins in 1977 and released in 1979 called Interact. CAD also referred to in Autodesk documents MicroCAD. Michael Riddle is the father of AutoCAD and John Walker is the co-author of AutoCAD and the first version released in 1982 in December. Autodesk product AutoCAD is in March 1986 has become the most popular CAD program worldwide. This time we have the latest version of AutoCAD is 2021, which is launched on March 2020. Since 2010, AutoCAD was released as a mobile and web app as well, and the name is AutoCAD 360. Latest version, easy to use and overcome the difficulties of older version. So guys, this is our version history. AutoCAD first version released in 1982 December, 1.2 released in 1983 April, AutoCAD version 1.4 released in 1983 October, version 2.1 released in 1985 May, version 2.5 released in 1986 June, version 2.6 released in 1987, version 9.0 released in 1987 as September, version 10 released in 1988 October, version 11 released in 1990 October, and the version 12 released in 1992 June. AutoCAD version 13 released in 1994 November, version 14 released in 1997 February, version 2000 released in 1999 March, version 2001 released in 2000 July, version 2002 released in 2001 June, version 2003 released in 2002 February, version 2004 released in 2003 March, version 2005 released in 2004 March, version 2006 released in 2005 March, and the version 2007 released in 2006 March, version 2008 released in 2007 March, and AutoCAD version 2009 released in 2008 March, AutoCAD version 2010 released in 2009 March, AutoCAD version 2011 released in 2010 March, AutoCAD version released to the AutoCAD version 2012 released in 2011 March, AutoCAD version 2013 released in 2012 March, AutoCAD version 2014 released in 2013 March, and AutoCAD version 2015 released in 2014 March, as AutoCAD version 2016 released in 2015 March, and AutoCAD version 2017 released in 2016 March, AutoCAD version 2018 released in 2017 March, AutoCAD version 2019 released in 2018 March, AutoCAD version 2020 released in 2019 March, and AutoCAD version 2020 released in 2020 March, and this is the latest version of AutoCAD. So, why new version required? Every version of AutoCAD introduce some new commands and tools. Every version is easy to use compared to its older versions CAD. Every version modify in a way that the user work freely and have easy access to their required work tools. Every version make possible to provide the extraordinary functions to their user. Every version of AutoCAD has same procedure of installation and also have some method of cracking the CAD version for better use. We have different types of AutoCAD like AutoCAD LT, AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Civil 3D, AutoCAD Map 3D, AutoCAD Plant 3D, and AutoCAD Advanced Steel, and AutoCAD Structural Detailing. These software for a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, and for architecture. Now we see the extensions in AutoCAD like A+, YQSC, and raster tools. These are different extensions we use with our setup. And why we use these extensions? We use this to make easy our working procedure. This is the Lisp programming in AutoCAD. The Lisp programming language is one of the oldest computer languages still in use. The names come from an abbreviation of Lisp processing, which was and remains Lisp focus. Everything in Lisp is a list, including its own source code. The advantage of using Lisp is that it allows for the simple definition of complex recursive functionality. The disadvantage of using Lisp is that it is difficult to use the language for the development of complex applications. However, because Lisp does not offer machine level control or support for object-oriented programming features such as inheritance, it is more often used as a scripting language or other applications such as AutoLisp for AutoCAD or for teaching abstract concept is in computer science. So guys, this is our history of AutoCAD, and if you like the video, please leave a comment in below. So guys, take care of yourself and see you in the next lesson.